guys, let's open up my senior homecoming dance dress together. So I ordered this shortbread dress from Cider, and it is a sort of drapey, elegant dress, and it's made out of this really comfortable satin material. I really love that shine that it has to it, which is why I chose it. Please excuse the wrinkles that you're going to see in this dress when I try it on. I was so excited to try it on that I did it straight out of the bag, and I didn't know. So this is the dress. It's very comfortable, it was very form-fitting, and it fit me like a glove. I ended up wearing this to homecoming and pairing it with some rose jewelry. Please excuse my awkward modeling, I'm definitely not a model. But this was the dress, it was very cute, and I loved it. Okay, thanks for watching, I hope you guys enjoyed.